Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another live video. A bad bitch is here. My mama ended up walking in the house, so I'm about to prank her.
What you say, Fatty?
I'm about to prank her and a fake sneeze on her, y'all.
Girl, what is wrong with you?
What?
What's wrong with you? This girl is crazy.
What?
What's going on?
Oh, he picked it, Mom. He picked it. He picked it, Mom. He took it to the house. He took it to the house.
Who is that?
That's why I know you got your ass beat.
Oh, no.
On the second round, too. Persuasion is
17.
She got that entitled attitude. Like,
Yeah. Mom, you see her say Cincinnati.
You deserve to get your ass beat. She punched the wig off her
What
head.
you watching all the time?
Spectrum.
I seen the punch. She got punched out her wig. That bitch flew.
It's an outside defense. Oh, no, we need to punch him. Me and Ice went early.
I mean, you still squared up.
Oh, my God. That was your nasty.
Since I am older, I could have handled that so much better, which I thought I would come out with shit.
That was the time.
No, that was not.
No one wants to talk anymore. Honestly, I'm keeping a buck with you. I'm not gonna do all this fake shit. I know you and your roommates or whatever, but like my name coming up and shit, y'all need to keep my name out of your mouth. Earlier today, I overheard Bree.
Takaya, why did you forget her
Y'all
bitch?
speaking on me and I'm not there. I know I probably should have ran up in bed, but I was trying to keep it cute.
Did you?
Find y'all something to say.
That was a fake sneeze.
Because I know that y'all hold more pressure. Facts. She's like, oh, you was talking shit about me? And I'm literally so lost, y'all like,
Did she
That ain't funny.
Did she just sneeze on Did she just sneeze on you?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Sleep bells singing and ding 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 ding.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got.
We supposed to be here with our beds, but we here with each other. I know. This bitch only got.
This is crazy.
$13.
Love it.
Do you want Donald Trump to be president?
Are you recording?
Yeah,
No.
I do.
Okay, I was gonna say yeah, but that's why I asked, are you recording? I do.
But you know, like I can cut stuff out. I be cutting stuff out, like
Oh.
when I edit. I just wanted to. I haven't vlogged in a long time, and I wanted to do Vlogmas, but I got a hot chocolate.
Like what type? Yeah. I think that was heavy.
I promise you, if my hot chocolate watery, it's on the
It's
floor.
not even that hot.
Nah, I feel like it's burning.
Oh, no, I'm not sitting watching it.
Yeah.
Not sad. We didn't even see no animals. You want to see at least something?
Where they at?
They outside animals be put up because it be too cold. You know, like wildlife animals always used to be hot.
Oh wait,
What's the wildest insect? You want to go to that?
yeah, we can. What is it though? Is it gonna be just insects everywhere?
Oh, never mind. It says leaf cutter ant. No.
I'm scared I'm gonna burn my tongue. That bitch gonna say, it ain't that hot. Bitch, I just burned my tongue.
Bitch, normally like when it's hot, you need like a thing on top
A little
of
straw?
it. No, like those little brown things they used to put
Yeah, it
on
ain't. It's probably because these cups is Eco safety.
Oh yeah, they are. Everything is. I want to go to.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful
Exit.
It's probably like an opening up here. I need to get a that's what I need, a better lens. Like a lens to go on top of my lens to make my camera clear.
Yeah. Wait, so how much was that camera?
400.
Do
Is these motherfuckers like walking around or something? Like, how are we gonna see them? Like, is it anybody in here?
Oh,
or we just
that's what I'm saying. I don't want to come to something because you know it's cold. I want to do stuff. I want to see stuff that's inside because you know it'll be out.
Yeah, I'm scared to go in that motherfucker. It's just all quiet down there and shit.
They got lights.
Yeah, we some chickens.
The Central African rainforest is home to the world's largest crab.
See, I told him he turned back around too.
Because they not in there. I want to see some crab tails.
Oh, look at the little jellyfish little things. Oh, let's go in there.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top right with you. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
My ass was finally able to drink my little hot chocolate.
It's not even that hot.
It was at first. That shit burnt the fuck out of my tongue. If I drink it again, a second time, I wasn't gonna be able to feel my taste buds small. I was gonna be so sorry.
Would you work?
Cause then
no, they don't pay as good as what you probably make at what's it called?
If it was like back in the day, yeah. I always used to try to work at this. Mom used to be like, it's so far from us.
It is.
But
your mom will have
if I ended up moving with y'all in 7th grade when I wanted to, then yeah, I would have.
Oh wow, they got 2.
What is it?
2 days. I don't know how much they got regular. That's not very sweet.
I'm gonna say they got s'mores. Yeah, me either. I didn't see hot chocolate. That's the only thing about like when you recording yourself out in public, people stare a lot. Like
either they think you're recording them or they think you like some type of what's it called, YouTube person.
Yeah, or they just be hating. Oh, that was so fun, y'all.
This tree is so pretty.
I think she's trying to get her picture taken or something. Yeah.
Which one do you use? This wasn't that bad. For an
I had to
hour.
get my girl the sauce. She wanted to know what camera I had. I had to tell her.
What if you would have recorded her while she was doing it?
I should
You
have.
should.
But then she was going to be able to see herself at the top.
You can't flip the camera around.
I could have pushed it down like this.
Which way ain't go that way?
Yeah, we came in this way through these little lights. Hey, y'all. I just got back
Y'all gonna let them
home.
niggas take y'all out the game, man? You know.
I'm sleepy. And I got work tomorrow. So this is probably definitely the end of my vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
Hey, Reno.
Thanks for watching.